Hey there. What would your child be doing this midterm break? Help them connect mathematics, economics, and social studies to real-life events. Enroll your child in our 3 days Data Analytics for Business Intelligence online course, exclusively designed for learners between 12 to 17 years. This course offers not only an introduction to data analysis, but equip them with one of the top highly demanded skills of understanding and making intelligent data-driven decisions, using Power BI technology tool by Microsoft. Learners will develop strong analytical skills, critical thinking and problem-solving skill, evident with their final presentation in a capstone project at the end of the course. As part of their capstone project, learners would act as an intern data analyst to consult for an imaginary company to make a business decision called business intelligence. Performing data wrangling or cleaning, analyzing large amounts of data to uncover hidden trends, by using an interactive dashboard they would be creating for visualization. What are you waiting for? Sign up now in the link showing on your screen. Equip your child with future skills.